Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm back with more new spring arrivals from Walmart, and I have so many good items to share with you guys that's gonna have you looking your best for the spring season. If you're new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. First up is my absolute favorite dress from today's haul. This dress is from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and the price is $36. I have it here in this beautiful shade of red, which is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day, but it's also available in black. This dress does feature bra-friendly tank strap. It has a squared neckline. In the back, it does have a smocked panel and it also has a hidden zipper. I absolutely love the panel detail throughout on this dress. It looks like a corset. It really holds my tummy in. One thing to note about this dress, guys, I needed the size 2X, so keep that in mind if we're around the same size, because it was a little bit tight on me in the chest area. I absolutely love the gathering detail at the side of this dress. It does have two side seam pockets, and this dress is a maxi length on me. It's unlined but not see-through, and I just love the contrast stitching detail throughout this dress also. You could go ahead and style it with your favorite cardigan over it. You could wear it with a moto jacket also, or a blazer. Style it with your favorite footwear. This dress is a must-have for the spring season. It's absolutely gorgeous. Next is this denim dress from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes 0 to 26 women's. I'm wearing it here in the size 20 women's and the price is $28. Such a good price point. It's only available in this dark denim wash. It does feature a higher crew neckline. It is a sleeveless dress and it does have a zipper here going down the back. It also has the beautiful contrast seam detail throughout, and it does feature two welt pockets here in the front, and I love the gold tone button. This is a mini dress, but it's not too much of a mini, and I want to say this is more of a medium weight denim material, and it's made from 100% cotton. You could go ahead and size with your favorite ballet flats. You could dress it up with some heels, and of course you could layer this dress with your favorite cardigan. I just absolutely love a good mini dress, and I'm gonna get so much use out of this one from Free Assembly. Next is this mini dress from Scoop. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and the price is $28. I have it here in this washed blue, but it's also available in gray. It does feature a V neckline, drop shoulders, oversized 3/4 length puff sleeve, and it does have a very stretchy cuff. It has a relaxed fit throughout, and this is made from a cotton blend material, and it's lined inside with a fleece material, so this dress is going to be perfect for the transition from winter to spring. This dress also has two side seam pockets, and it does have a tiered layer with a ruffled hem. This dress is a mini length on me, but not too much of a mini. You could go ahead and dress this down with your favorite sneakers, or if you want to give it more of a elevated look, you could definitely style it with your favorite heels and add your favorite bag. This is just such an easy dress to style. It's going to be perfect for spring. This maxi dress is from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $27.98. I have it here in this beautiful black floral print, but it's also available in one additional color. It does feature a V neckline and it has more of a drop shoulder. It also has this beautiful gathering detail going around the shoulder. The sleeves are 3/4 length and it does have a very stretchy cuff. This dress does feature a very stretchy waistline and it does have pockets to the side. This dress is made from a rayon nylon blend fabric and it is super lightweight, very breezy. I want to say this dress would be more perfect for early summer or if you're going on vacation. It's very lightweight and breezy. It does have tiered layer going all the way down and then it has a ruffled hem. This dress is a maxi length on me. This dress would work perfect with your favorite sandals, and of course you could start with your favorite heels for a more elevated look. I absolutely love the print on this dress and it's gonna be perfect for spring and summer. Next is this matching set from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X and the price is $27.98. I have it here in black, but it's also available in navy, oatmeal, and pink. And guys, I did order this set in the navy color, but Walmart messed up my order and they did send me it in black, so I'm gonna return this and try to get it in the navy, which is what I want. The sweatshirt features a V neckline. It does have drop shoulders, long sleeve which are oversized, and it does have a rib cuff. It's loosely fitted throughout, and the sweatshirt is made from a cotton blend material, and it's lined inside with a fleece material. This sweatshirt also features a ribbed hem. It's a little bit cropped, but not too cropped, and it has more of a boxy fit. So if you want the sweatshirt to be more oversized, I would suggest you guys size up one. The matching sweatpants, of course, is also in a size 1X. It has a very stretchy waistline. It does have two drawstrings here at the waist, which is hidden inside, and it has two side seam pockets. It's also fully lined inside with a fleece material. It has a relaxed fit throughout, and it does have a wide leg. I want to say the inseam on this sweatpants is around 30 or 32 inches. You could go ahead and style this entire set with your favorite sneakers or ballet flats. This is going to be the perfect set to lounge around the house in, to wear out for errands. If you're traveling, also this set would be perfect because it's super soft, very comfortable. Next is this jacket from Sofia Vergara. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X, and the price is $34. It features more of a stand collar, drop shoulders, long sleeve, which are very oversized, and it does have a rolled cuff. It does have the snap closure button detail here at the cuff, and you could unsnap this button closure if you do want the sleeves to be even more longer. This jacket does have a zip closure going all the way down the front, and I needed to size up to the size 2X in this jacket to be able to zip it up, so just keep that in mind. It does feature two oversized utility pockets here in the front, which are functional, and it does have a cinch waist at the hem. It's more of a crop length, but not too cropped, and I do have a matching jeans that this come with, which is sold separately, that I'm going to share with you guys next. But you could also go ahead and size with your favorite trousers. You could wear with your favorite denim or your favorite skirt. I love that this is more of a lightweight jacket. It's going to be perfect for the spring weather. Next are these jeans from Sofia Vergara, and they do match back to the utility jacket. It's available in sizes 0 to 26 women's. I am wearing it here in the size 20 women's, and the price is $30. I have it here in the medium denim wash, but it's also available in olive green. These jeans are a mid-rise fit. It has a very stretchy waistline, two drawstrings here in the front, and it does have two side seam pockets. It's a relaxed fit throughout, and it does have two welt pockets here in the back, and it does have the double cargo pockets to the side. It is a wide leg jeans, and the inseam on this jeans is 32 inches, pretty long. I needed some heels to get it off the floor, and I'm 5'6" for reference. You could go ahead and style this entire outfit with your favorite heels. You could dress it down with some ballet flats or sneakers, and I just love a matching set for the spring and summer season. Next up is this cardigan sweater from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I'm wearing it here in the size 1X, and the price is $26. I have it here in this polka dot print, which is trending for spring 2026, but it's also available in several different colors in print, including this beautiful heart print, which is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day. This sweater cardigan does feature a higher ribbed crew neckline, drop shoulders, long sleeve, which are loosely fitted, and it does have a ribbed cuff. I absolutely love how soft and cozy the material is on this cardigan. It's more of a medium weight cardigan. It does have functional buttons going all the way down the front, so this is a type of cardigan you could wear open or closed, and I love that the fabric on this cardigan overlaps, so you don't have to worry about any gaping in the chest area. This is a longer length cardigan, and it does have a ribbed hem. Go ahead and style this cardigan with your favorite shorts, your favorite jeans, and of course you could wear it over your favorite dress. I just love these cardigans from Free Assembly. They're so easy to style. When I saw these jeans from Sofia Vergara, they were an immediate add to cart. They're so good. It's available in sizes 0 to 26 women's. I'm wearing it here in the size 20 women's, and the price is $26, which is such a good price point. These jeans are a high-rise jeans. It does have a button closure and a zip fly, 5 pocket styling, functional pockets in the front, and 2 functional pockets here in the back. It also has some light whiskering throughout, and what I love about these jeans are the seam panel going down here on the side, and you could see that it's a two-tone jeans, which I think is such a good look. It does have a extra wide leg, and the inseam is 32 inches. These jeans are available in short and long, and this is the regular length, and it's really long. You definitely need heels with this jeans, and I just love the overall look of this jeans. It's is the type of jeans you could definitely wear for a elevated casual look. But if you're tall enough, you could definitely dress this down with your favorite sneakers, this entire outfit. But I just love these jeans so much. They're super stretchy throughout, so comfortable. Size down one in these jeans because as I'm wearing them, I could feel them getting a little bit loose on me. I just absolutely love the look of these jeans. Next is this blouse from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 4X. I am wearing it here in the size 2X and the price is $17.98. I have it here in this beautiful shade of blue, but it's also available in pink and white. This blouse features a higher crew neckline. Going around the neckline, we have this beautiful scallop detail. It does have oversized puff sleeve and it also has a scallop detail going around the cuff. What I absolutely love about this blouse is the eyelet lace detail throughout. That's just such a classic look. It also features functional buttons going all the way down the front, and this blouse is a lightweight blouse. It's made from 100% cotton. I want to say this is going to be more perfect for spring because it's super lightweight, so breezy. It's going to be perfect for the warmer temperature. It's a longer length blouse, definitely not cropped, and you could go ahead and start with your favorite shorts. You could wear it with your favorite jeans, and of course you could style it with your favorite skirt. I think this is just such a classic top. I'm gonna get so much use out of it. I think I'm gonna wear this blouse to work. It's a must-have. It's gonna be perfect for the warm weather. This cardigan sweater is from Scoop. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL and the price is $22. I did pick it up in black, but it's also available in white. This cardigan sweater features a higher crew neckline. It does have bra-friendly straps. It's sleeveless and it does have buttons going down the front which are not functional, so you don't have to worry about any gaping. The material on this top is a super soft knit material and it's super stretchy. It does meet me below my waist, so it's a good nice long length. It's more on the lighter weight side, so it's gonna be perfect for the warm temperature. You could go ahead and layer this top with your favorite jacket. I saw that the model had this style with a skirt and it looks so cute, but you could also style with your favorite trousers or jeans. Next are these pull-on jeans from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $26.98. I have it here in this washed green, but it's also available in 3 additional colors. It is a high-rise jeans and it does have a very stretchy waist. It also comes with a drawstring here at the waist which you could use to cinch your waist, and it does have 2 oversized pockets to the side and 2 functional pockets here in the back. And these jeans are made from a cotton blend material and it has a relaxed fit throughout. It is a longer length jeans. The inseam is 30 inches and it does have a wide leg. You could go ahead and style these pull-on jeans with your favorite top. The model had it styled with a short sleeve button down and I think that look is so classic. Wear this entire outfit with your favorite sandals, sneakers, or heels. Next is this shirt from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL and the price is $26. I have it here in this color Walmart is called in polished blue, and this is the only color it is available in. This shirt features a spread collar, functional buttons going all the way down the front. It does have a functional chest pocket here, long sleeve which are loosely fitted, and it does have a button cuff. What I love about this shirt is the red contrast piping throughout. I feel like that's just a classic look, and it does have the yoke detail here in the back. Unfortunately, the 2XL is the biggest size they have in this shirt and it was a little bit fitted on me. I do wish it was a little bit more loosely fitted on me. This shirt is more cropped and boxy and it does feature a shirt tail hem. You could go ahead and style it with your favorite jeans. You could wear it with your favorite skirt. I think that's how the model styled it. Unfortunately, I have to return this because I just don't love the look of it on me personally. This Henley sweater is from Time and True. It's available in sizes extra small to 3XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 3XL and the price is $22.98. I have it here in this light brown color, but it's also available in black, white, and pink. It does feature a point collar, functional buttons going down the chest, drop shoulders, long sleeve which are loosely fitted, and it does have a ribbed cuff. This sweater has more of a relaxed fit throughout and it's super soft to the touch. It's going to be perfect for the transition from winter to spring. It is a longer length. It meets me below my waist and it does have a rib hem. go ahead and style this sweater with your favorite skirt, your favorite jeans, or of course your favorite shorts. This is the type of sweater you could definitely dress down or dress up for a more casual look. Next is this blouse from Terra and Sky. It's available in sizes 0x to 4x. I'm wearing it here in the size 2x and the price is $24.98. I have it here in this beautiful shade of blue, but it's also available in black, white, and pink. It does have a mandarin collar, and going around the collar we have the beautiful flutter detail, functional buttons going all the way down the front, and I absolutely love the lace detail throughout on this blouse. It does feature a long sleeve and it has a cinch cuff, and I absolutely love the pin tuck detail throughout on this blouse. It makes it look so expensive. It also has a lace detail in the back and of course the pin tuck detail. This blouse is very roomy throughout, and it did make my breast look even bigger, and it is a longer length. Maybe I needed to size down one, so I'm on the fence if I want to keep this blouse. The model did have it styled with some shorts and I love the look, so I'm gonna try to style it with some shorts to see if I'll love it. This blouse is just so gorgeous overall. I'm just on the fence if I want to keep it because it makes my bust look so big. Next up are gonna be 3 dresses that didn't fit me, but I wanted to share them with you guys. First up is this dress from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 4x. I have it here in the size 1x and the price is $36. It's only available in this print. It does feature the bra-friendly tank straps, a squared neckline. It has a hidden zipper in the back, and I love the beautiful embroidered heart detail throughout, and this is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day, but this dress keeps going in and out of stock. The 1x couldn't get past my chest, so I think I needed to size up to the size 3x in this dress, so just keep that in mind. It's cut really small. It does have 2 side seam pockets and the material doesn't have any stretch in it. It's saying that it's made from 100% cotton, and this is a midi length dress. Next is this shirt dress from Free Assembly. It's available in sizes extra small to 2XL. I'm wearing it here in the size 2XL and the price is $30. It does feature a point collar, functional buttons going down the chest, and guys, I couldn't button it in the chest area. This dress is cut really small. It does have long sleeve and it also features a button cuff. It has a little bit of stretch in the waist area and it does feature 2 side seam pockets. This dress is made from 100% cotton and it is a mini length. Too bad this dress couldn't fit because I think it's just so cute. So if you're smaller than me, I highly recommend this dress. Lastly is this dress from Celebrity Pink. It's available in sizes extra small to 4x. I have it here in the size 1x and the price is $26.50. I do have it here in this beautiful floral print, but it's also available in white. It does feature a sweetheart neckline and it has a tie detail here at the front. Long sleeve which are shared, and it has this beautiful ruffled cuff. It does have this beautiful corset detail in the front which has lace going down also, and I love this dress when I saw it online, so I'm gonna repurchase it in the size 3XL because I think the corset detail is just so gorgeous. It has a smoked panel here in the back. It's made from 100% polyester. It's very lightweight. It's fully lined underneath also, guys, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through. And this dress does feature a tiered layer with a ruffled hem and it's a midi-length dress, so I'm gonna reorder it and share it in my next Walmart haul with you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. In my last Walmart haul, someone suggested I do more hauls from different stores like Target, H&M, Old Navy, maybe JCPenney. So let me know in the comments if you guys do want to see hauls from different stores. I usually post mostly Walmart because people do love the Walmart fashion finds, but I'm willing to do hauls from different stores. I do see that Target have some very nice new arrivals, but I'm not trying to get cancelled. So let me know in the comments if you guys are shopping at Target, and maybe I could do a Target haul, and of course I'll do a JCPenney haul. I love JCPenney now. It's like one of my favorite stores. And if you're not following me on the Like to Know It app, go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post new arrivals, restock alerts, outfit ideas, and so much more. I also post it on the post tab here on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.